So today we're taking a quick look at the Philips Norelco all-in-one trimmer. I'm going to be trimming my hair off to see how well this shaver does. It wasn't really a high-end one. This is a fairly cheap one, so I'm not expecting much. But yeah, let's give it a try so you get an idea what that looks like. It seems like it's doing a pretty good job. So it's a simple on-off button. See it there? You got nice little grips on both sides. This is the power here, and it just plugs right into the wall. The attachments get attached like this, so you put this in first and then snap it in and then it locks. So it does come with a little brush. You can kind of brush that all out, and it does come with additional pieces and attachments, accessories. So these are all the different accessories that you get and attachments. So you have a 1mm, 3mm, 5, 7, 9, 12, 16. You also get a nose trimmer for all those hairy nostrils, and a precision attachment, as well as a little brush. And here you have a little baggie so you can store everything. And just want to show you one last thing. This is battery powered, so you can use it without it being plugged into the wall. So what I was showing you before was the 5mm. Now I'm on the 1mm, so you can see you can get a closer shave. Nice. And then let me just show you if you wanted to go all the way down, what happens.